everyone, it's just Cheryl here, and if you watched our previous video, you know we are en route to spend some time in Utah. After our boondocking night in the extreme heat and using our new mini split, we are looking forward to more comfortable temperatures. We are headed out on the I-15, then over to Utah's Highway 20 and 89. In this video, we make our way to our new Forest Service road Dispersed camping. We'll review and show you the area, which is in Dixie National Forest. Plus, we made time for additional hiking and discover a couple cool hikes in the nearby Red Canyon. We left camp at Cedar Pocket Road early in the morning to beat some of the heat and traveled through St. George area and then into Utah's Highway 20 and 89 and eventually Highway 12. So let's go and check out the route to our new campsite. The area we are headed to is Forest Road 117, also named Tom's Best Spring Road. This area covers a lot of ground and has a few forest road loops, providing many opportunities to dry camp. There are sites sprinkled all over, and you can freely camp in any established site. There is room for any size rig, trees for shade, and more privacy than expected for a busy area near popular areas like Red Canyon and Bryce National Park. We rarely stay in the first site we locate and prefer to do a little recon work and explore a new area before deciding where to camp. So we found a good shady pull-off and then spent some time driving the area in the Jeep and using my offline satellite Onyx off-road maps to guide us through the different roads. Reconning in the Jeep is just zippier, more nimble, especially when you don't know the area. Plus we know we won't get stuck, or if we were still towing, we won't end up in a difficult turnaround situation. Spending the extra 10 to 30 minutes doing recon paid off. I identified another forest road that I had not noticed previously on the maps, and in satellite view I can easily spot a site at the end of the road overlooking a meadow. We drove through a meadow below the potential site, and it did not seem occupied. Then we found our way and in, and bingo, it was our site for the next few days. A huge plus to the area was also the strong cell coverage. We even had speed sufficient to stream Netflix each night we were there. Casto Canyon is also an ATV trail for 50-inch wide or under ATVs. There were a few ATVs and groups running around, but definitely room for us hikers without getting dusted. And the Red Canyon walls did not disappoint. So when we visited the Forest Service office down on Highway 12, he actually did recommend this first hike. We're just going to go about a mile in and then come back down through some of the canyon area. He said it was really pretty, so that is our intention today. And then the only risk is going to be, look at that sky. We haven't quite figured out which way all of this is moving. Hopefully it keeps going away and we will be fine. Would you care to repeat that?
My wife is a wonderful woman.
That's not what you did. Wait, stop a second. Stop a second. Anything missing?
My socks.
Do you fit? I'm pretty sure you'll fit. You can go. Wow, you know what? Cooper would not like to walk across that if we'd have to open the gate for him.
The gates for the horses there, so.
Arches Trail is our second hike, and it is a short trail with stairs to climb up and down and wind around multiple rock formations showing off arches and windows. The trailhead is at the beginning of the Lucy Canyon, which is another wash off of Casto Canyon Road. The Arches Trail is technically a short 1.1 mile loop, however there are quite a few side tracks and exploring to do, and we ended up logging 1.7 miles for this loop. By this point, the rain that we saw on the horizon a couple hours ago was starting to catch up with us, and it was definitely time to head back down. Now we get to switch back it down. After our hike in Red Rock, we headed back to our spot in the forest, which was an amazing area to hang out. Even for a busy area, Tom Best Spring Road's Dispersed camping was quiet, private, and convenient to the area's sites. Next up, we head out to Bryce Canyon National Park. This will be our second visit to the park, and I'm very excited to be able to do a hike down into the canyon. Until next week, thank you for joining us and checking out our custom camper and travels. We greatly appreciate hearing from you, especially getting questions on that rig. Click that thumbs up if you like this video and drop us a comment or question below. We would love to hear from you. And don't forget to click that subscribe button to follow our continued progress and travels in the new rig. We are here to share and inspire others who are building and traveling in RVs. We hope to see you out on the road, and good luck with your working and exploring.